How to use monday.com for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can launch monday.com application in your mobile device, or if you're working on a PC or desktop, launch a preferred browser and search for monday.com. Over here, first and foremost, you can log in if you already have an account or tap on Create New Account. For easy sign up, click on Sign up with Google, then select any one of your Gmail account. After this, you can go ahead and answer some of the query, or you can skip it as well. Then the app will ask for some of the permission. Tap on Allow for those permissions. Now to use your monday.com for free, you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign icon and start your business management better. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you.